Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are trying to solve a interesting math based on number. Let's start. Here is an equation which is 0 equals to x plus 3 times 2x minus 5 times x square plus 6. Solve for x when x is a real number or non-real number or an integer. Okay, so first this equation we will get several type of answer, like here x equals to plus 3 equal 0. It means x equals to minus 3. Or we can write 2x minus 5 equals to 0 or 2x equals to 5, because we will transfer minus 5 to right side, therefore it will become plus 5. And finally x equals to 5 divide 2. We will divide both sides by 2. We will get another answer, like here is x square plus 6 equals to 0. It means x square equals to minus 6, and once we square root both sides, so x equals to root over minus 6 and plus minus. Look, this is minus 3. It's a first of this is a real number, and also it's an integer, because first real number, why? Any number is a real number, no problem. And integer, we know minus infinity including 0 plus infinity, right? And here it should be whole number, minus we can use but no decimal. So in this equation we can say x equals to minus 3 is a real number and integer. Next, here is 5 by 2. It's only real number, right? Then so here x plus 3 we solve, 2x minus 5 we also solve. Now x square plus 6. Look, we know once a root over minus 1, it will become complex number, and it's not a real number, it's a non-real number. So this is number B, non-real number. Okay, so my point is, once we know what is real number, what is non-real number, and what is an integer or anything like whole number, rational number, irrational number, once we know the definition and once we know the activity of this number, so we can find out, or we can say these kinds of equation which number is present. So this is my this is a video I have to finish now. So this channel I try to solve these kinds of equation or these types of math. Hope it will help you for your examination or your presence of life. If you think these kinds of video are helping you, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.